What's going on? Back again, another video of Raw Shop. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money on tag. I got a lot of videos about how to make money. I made like two, but those were like about a year ago. So this kind of like an update of how to make money on tag, y'all. So if you guys don't know, tag is like a dating app, but it's also kind of like a streaming app, kind of like YouTube in a way. So you basically go on the app and you know what I'm saying, you stream on there and people send you gifts on that app. So a lot of people that want to make money from home, because it's definitely a lot of people has shifted from working from home since the pandemic, so it's a good way to make a little side income. So you basically will have to chat with people that are on the app. So me experiencing that app though, as I was on there a while ago. It's just sometimes you might have like a lot of like people that come in when you match. You could do like battles, you could do like freestyles, you could do like dating stuff. So sometimes you might get some rude people on the app. So you definitely gonna experience things like that. But I use tag for me personally to promote my YouTube channel. So I'll go on tag and then I'll promote my clothing brand, my fashion brand on there. So it's a good way to like get an audience and stuff like that. So when you build an audience, typically people like can send you like gifts, kind of like with anything. I think now they have that on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that, and even YouTube. By the way. So it's kind of the same way. So, but it's a good way to make like streams online and stuff like that, because we in the times where having a social media account, you can definitely build a lot of money online. So it's a good way to make money online, right? So I would say like the pros of it is that you can definitely make money online. You can build an audience fast because you're going to be able to see a lot of people fast, because when you go on that app, you hit verses and you verse people on the app and you're going to run across a lot of people. The bad thing is you might run across people, like I said, that might be assholes or might, excuse my language, but you know what I'm saying, but might just be a little like off the wall, right? There's a lot of weird people on there, so it's definitely some some cons to it, you know what I mean? But the pros is you can definitely network on there. You can meet new friends as far as like building your audience and stuff like that, or try to grow your business. So if you guys want to use it as a business tool, it's a good business tool. Even though it's a dating app, hey, you might find somebody you love on the app too, because it is a dating app. So it definitely has its ups and downs on that part of the side. But how to make money on there is you need like a certain amount of diamonds, and when you get a certain amount of diamonds, I forgot how much it was, but it's a certain amount you have to have, and then they'll PayPal you like $200 and so on and so on. But you need a lot of diamonds though. A lot of girls that be on that app, they be having a lot of diamonds. So if you're a female and you kind of look good or you're attractive, it's gonna be a lot of dudes that gonna be sending you money on there. Like that's probably a lot of dudes out there, they see a cute girl and they just like, here you go. So you know what I mean. So it's a good app. It's a good tool for women, I would say. Now for dudes, it might not be too many girls might be sending you money, but like I say, you can use it as a different way to market your social media and stuff like that. So these are just different tools to actually like grow your brand online and stuff, because you want to be able to execute every tool that has a social media. You got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's so many apps. So but with tag is a good way where you actually gonna engage with real people, and you're gonna be able to engage with over hundreds of people daily, like quick. So you'll be able to promote your brand too. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, you might have some people that might be rude in the process and stuff like that. So but tag is definitely a good app. It has a pros and cons.